Hi, I'm Jonathan from Office Wonderland, and today we will be unboxing the new Panasonic PT-VMZ60 Laser Series projector. Let's unbox this projector and take a closer look. As you can see, Panasonic double boxes all their projectors to ensure safety during delivery. First we'll take out the accessory box and see what's inside. There's the power cord, remote control, and the warranty pamphlet. Being that we are Panasonic authorized dealers, you'll be covered under their 3-year manufacturer warranty. Now here we have the projector. And if you don't mind, I'll move the box from the table so we have a little bit more space. And this projector's come in a static envelope. Instruction manual. And here you have your beautiful Panasonic PT-VMZ60. This projector is a great choice for any classroom or conference room. It has 6,000 lumens. It's a WUXGA Resolution. It supports 4K signal input for future-ready integration. What I really like about this projector is its lens. It's a 1.07 to 1.79 lens, meaning you can use it as a short throw projector in a smaller room, or you can position it in a much simpler fashion by putting it in the center of a room. The button panel is on top of the projector and easily accessible. You have the power button to turn the projector on and off. You have the input select button to go through the different inputs. You have your volume control, which will allow you to adjust your 10-watt speaker. You have your menu tab. You have your auto setup, and you have your lens shutter control. Here you're going to have your power indicator, your indicator to know that the light is on, and your temperature control. Here you have your knobs to control both your horizontal and vertical lens shift. Now let's take a look at the rear of the projector. Here we are looking at the input and output connections. You have USB, video in, 2 VGA inputs. The bottom can also be used for an output, 2 HDMI in connections, 2 LAN digital link connections, audio in, audio out, and your serial in connection. And here is your power cord connection. Now that we looked at the inputs and outputs, let's see how this projector runs. Just powered it up, which took about 20 seconds. As you can see, our lights are on and the image is still very bright and clear. Surprisingly, the machine is pretty quiet. Now let's go through the initial setup and select language. We turned off the lights to see how the projector looks in the dark. Let's take a look at some menu options. You have the picture tab, which allows you to adjust the picture quality and color. We have the position tab, which allows you to mess with the keystone, screen adjustment, shift. You have your language selection, your display option, your projector setup. So you can choose which method you are going to be setting up the projector, whether it's mounted on the ceiling, on the table stand, rear view, your security setup, and your network control. This wraps up our review of the Panasonic PT-VMZ60 projector. This model comes in both black or white. For more information or to purchase, visit our website officewonderland.com. We are your projector experts and Panasonic authorized dealer.